Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60E and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll all the way down to find digital well-being and parental controls. So right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 21 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings, then camera and Chrome. We've got also unlocks and notifications count. So if you would like to check some further details, you can tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them, tap on them, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using. You can also tap on the specific app here and you will be transferred again to the dashboard, or here just tap on the settings, for example, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Moreover, we've got some ways to disconnect. I will not discuss all of them, but maybe two. And the first one is app timers. Let's tap on it. As you can see here next to the apps, we've got this hourglass icon, so we can limit the usage of the app. So let me choose maybe camera, just tap on this hourglass icon, and now we can set the timer. So for example, if I will set it for 0 hours and 30 minutes, it means that I can use the app for 30 minutes during a day. After that, the app will be blocked and the timer will reset at midnight, and tomorrow I will be able to again use it for 30 minutes. We can also set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes. Tap on OK. As you can see, the camera will be grayed out. Also right here, and after trying to open it, we will have this information, this pop-out window that the timer ran out and sorry, you cannot really use it. And this is quite a nice way to block the app. After trying to open it, we've got this information, so maybe it will stop us. Obviously, we can easily remove it, but still maybe thanks to it, we'll be able to think like, oh no, hello, we shouldn't really use this app. So the first thing works like that, and I really think that the app timers are quite useful. And we've got also something called focus mode. So here we can choose some distracting apps. Let me pick maybe those. Usually it probably will be social media or something like that. So just select the apps, then go to the set schedule, and here we can choose specific days of the week and specific hours. You can personalize them, and after tapping on set, your device will basically hide the notifications from those distracting apps, so you will be able to focus on different things, like for example studying, working, I don't know, spending time with your family or whatever, or simply resting without any kind of disturbance. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.